We are here in Jacksonville, Florida to reinspect this Thor Magnitude. If you'll remember, and if you've been following our videos, we did this inspection 4 weeks, 4 days ago, and there was a magnitude of issues. As a matter of fact, I'm going to link that above. So stick around because we're going to reinspect, making sure that everything is fixed and has no issues when we leave here today.
All right, so here we are. As Laurel said, we're on a reinspection. You want to piss me off, that's the best place to be, is on a reinspection, because the vultures are all waiting on us to see what we're gonna find. So we got this guy that shows up, never seen him here before, and all of a sudden he's in charge of this rig that we inspected 5 weeks ago. They had time to address, let's say, I don't remember how many points. What was there, honey? 40 or something? 40 points. So I have half my list, she's got half her list, so I go through my things, and all of a sudden we're through half of it, and he shows up, grumpy, redhead. He's gonna show us how it goes, and I took care of this personally. Personally, that ain't good. Personally, you wanna see the list of what you skipped? So if you wanna be arrogant, at least be confident of what you did, what you achieved. So, yeah, you kind of pissed me off and run me the wrong way, but I'll try to be nice to him because, you know, he's in charge. He's the one who took care of all the things not done. A1, that was perfect. Not done. And by the way, this is your list. This is what you end up with. I print what you guys sent to the customer. There's 20 pages of this. All the little details, the thing we found when we were there, and you know, if it's good, it's good. If it's not good, plastic cover installed and sealed in the rear bathroom. A plastic cover, we use ABS. So instead of having a drawer, since we can't have a drawer for 6 months, our customer can wait, we're putting a plastic. Change your tone of voice. It's ridiculous. And treat people the right way. This is disrespectful of your own job and my job. So now you're doubting what we're doing, which is here with pictures. It shows you where to go. And then you criticize me, you're pissed again, the messenger, with the middleman. Remember, people, this is your rig. This is the people that work on your rig. We even give them a list. 80% of my list was followed. 80%. It's just 20%. Laurel is inside the same thing. The major thing, it's 80%. There's stuff I won't tell you that we know they're not gonna fix. It'll never happen. So now we gotta kind of be careful because we gotta come back here. But they still didn't understand and get the message of what we're there for. We're there to help them out. When I go with my list that we took 2 days to do, and I jump in here at 9 o'clock in the morning, I would have liked to know what time it is now, 10:30. In an hour and a half, I'm done. I've checked everything that's been done. Do you realize the amount of time that would have saved that mechanic instead of going in there and trying to see a couple of things and fix a couple of things? This is all done for you. This is why we do this. Let us deal with the arrogance of those people. That's our job. Unless you want to take the burden and try to deal with them the day you pick your unit up. Good luck with that one. Another frustrating day, but that's our job. That's why you hired us. And Gary, you'll have a nice unit after, I don't know when you're going to pick it up, but that was 5 weeks between this and achieved it. And there's still 20% of stuff they're going to have to address, and they're going to tell us that it'll be done. So you've visited dealerships before. You've seen how it is, how the letting you wait in the waiting room all day, and you get pissed and sick of it. And so that's the modus operandi that they have. So Laura is doing sign language behind because I forgot to talk about her shower inside. You're right. So I'm going to try to use the term. You're going to have to tell me the term. So I'm going to set you up. So we're in the bathroom, and she's doing her tests because the bottom of the bathroom was leaking. So she's doing her tests. All of a sudden I come in. I'm about done to check whatever on her, and she says, I need a rag. It's leaking on the floor. She's got her feet like this, try to hold the water. So holy, that little thing was gully was coming down there. Run outside, come back with a rag, drop that down. What the? She says, this is leaking like a freaking bucket. All right, I go outside, grab a rag, come back in. Redhead come back in. I said, you got an issue, you better go see your shower, because now it's leaking on the outside of the camper, not only inside. Now I see it from the outside. So he goes inside, pushes Laurel out of the way, and okay, tell me the statement, I'll repeat it. What did he say?
If you try hard enough, you can make anything leak.
If you try hard enough, you can make anything leak. So I don't know about you, but if I'm taking a shower and the door's behind me, do you hold a little shower like this to make sure there's no water on the door? At that point, just get rid of the glass door. What's the point of having doors? Idiots. So that's the kind of comment we deal with. So if you don't have balls enough to show up to those people and tell them how stupid they are and they should be fixing this, that's our job. Let us do this. This is what we do. And it is as bad as I'm saying. It's just that some people just come in and, how much is it? Oh, it's ready Saturday? Oh, okay. And you guys see things and you say, oh, I don't dare do nothing. I got to go back and it's going to be under warranty. Yeah, good luck with that. I did. Everything else was good though. They did about 80% inside too. So, no, kudos. They did a good job overall. So other than dealing with the arrogance of this guy that they sent to us to track us down, this is the story of what we do, what you do, and what you might have to do if you want to go buy yourself an RV. So just keep this in mind and remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey.